This tip today is going to be about changing defaults. One thing that I always like to do on tracks is add a utility plugin. I very much prefer to automate gain with a utility as opposed to the channel fader. Just as a result of gain staging, I like to have the automation done pre-fader. Then the fader will adjust the overall loudness of the channel at the end of the stage. So what I like to do is put a utility on the channel and then just save as default audio track. So the next time I create an audio track, it'll have a utility already built in. You can do the same thing for MIDI. So you're going to create a MIDI track, add a utility to it, save as default MIDI track. I like to do at least this. You can set this up however you'd like with your default audio and MIDI tracks. It's really up to you. I just like to have a utility at least on every channel at all times. Same works for plugins. You can take, for example, a compressor, turn off makeup gain, and save as default preset. So the next time you drag in a compressor, it won't have that setting on. I like to do this one time and then save as default, as opposed to clicking that button every time. Just over time, that's going to add up, and it's going to be a lot of button clicks that you don't have to do anymore.